slideshell cruise to the top and the bottom. This is unlike any other trip because usually last time it was 20 elementary school kids. So we had to harness them all in. We trapped them downstairs, let them go upstairs. We're going to go out, cruise around the bay, depending on Captain Brian. He's the one that calls the shots today. Jason's our diver. The plan is to cruise out, check out some stuff. We're going to drop the otter trawl net. So it's like a long mini shrimp net. We're going to drop it for about 25 minutes, and then we're going to pull up and see everything that we have found. There's a microphone on board. I am going to be talking. We are going to have fun, play on the boat. But whatever you do, always have 3 points of contact. Anything about marine biology. How does it? Whales are mammals. That's part of marine biology. Yes, they breathe air. I know that they were studying the cuttlefish in an attempt to see how their neurons fire out so quickly in response to their environment, and trying to associate that with Alzheimer's and dementia, the synapses in the brain. So I think there's untouched resources. Oh my God, did y'all hear that? Okay, so you can see through the zebrafish, and they replicate the cancer very quickly, and you can see through how it works in the fish so that doctors can guess how it's going to work in the liver. I was interviewed by a group of students from Oklahoma, and they were agricultural students, and they asked me, how is being a marine biologist related to agricultural farming? And I was able to tell them that the ocean is a common resource. When you're a farmer, you have a piece of land and you farm it however you want. You can make money off of it, you can lay fallow for a year. But here we are